So I've decided to make some upgrades to the Arduino. First one, I'm gonna put a blue plastic cap on the alarm LED light. This way, I can do some secondary effects with it, add some secondary usages, just to add some character to the boats. Then, I'll add a small red character to the top front, just to make it a little bit more funnier, a little bit more fun to look at once it's navigating the water. And this is how it looks. You can see here the LED light is now facing forward with the blue transparent cap as to give a better looking effect. Okay, now here this is how the upgrades look on the boat. This is real-time footage going on right now, and you can see that the response time of the system is very good, which allows me very good maneuverability. Now I'll speed up the video now, and you can see, you can't see that, but I know, because I was the one sailing it, that I corrected the directions of left and right, which on the previous sketch were reversed. Now about the light effects, I think it came out very nice. The LED light is very strong. That's why I wanted to use it in other effects. And I even added some special effects, as you can see here, the flashing of the light, which I will call it the main signal that you will see later on the sketch. So let's see it. Okay, so this is the first time I have upgraded the sketch for the Arduino boat since the project completion. It is the same as the mentioned sketch with the upgrades. Now those upgrades start by including new variables, which you'll see down the line, and they'll make perfect sense. They'll be easy for you to understand. Now, where do the changes begin? I start by recording the time. Each time the loop begins, I record the time that the Arduino has been on this variable, current time. And I'm going to use that variable just so that I can know on the serial terminal of the app for how long I have been using the batteries, so I can control myself. So far everything stays the same. As you can see, I changed over here. When I turned the propellers on, I included a third step simply by increasing this value over here that was previously on 200. I put it now on 250, which means the propeller can go from 0 to 100, which is one step, one speed, 100 to 200, which is the second speed, and from the 200 it'll increase to 300, but this if block will set it to 250, which makes the 3 speeds. Down here, the condition that forces the motor to stop is exactly the same. I change here in these two cases, which are the turning left and right of the rudders. I simply switched the case condition of the variable that calls it, because they were switched. I have the L over here and the right over here, which was the other way around. So I set it in place. I didn't touch anything else so far. I didn't touch anything else. And yeah, I also changed the sudden change of the rudders, the extremes. They were also reversed. And this is where I include the upgrades. The first one I made was, as you see in the video earlier, I use the alarm LED to, with this command, I toggle it either on or off, as you can see right over here on the title. So we have this if and else block that tells me that if the digital read of the alarm LED is low, which means it is off, this condition will turn it on. Or else, if it is on, this condition will turn it off and reset the alarms late. This is a condition to force me up here in the alarm to control the alarm over here. As you can see, I put that variable, the alarm state, over here.